Hi beauties, welcome again to Wendy Style. So I want to talk about the last of how you can practice your good health and hygiene and look beautiful with your short hair. So practicing gratitude can help you really appreciate the beauty in your life and your hair. So it includes reflecting on the things you are thankful for, expressing gratitude to others, and focusing on the positive aspects of your life and your hair. So beauty is subjective and comes in many forms, and the most important thing is to always feel confident and comfortable, not just in your skin but also in your hair. So check out the style, you can see for yourself. You can have a snapshot and take it to your barber and they're going to give you this particular style. So the next tip for our recipe to our beautiful life and health is please protect your hair. Protecting your hair from damage, can help maintain its beauty and health. And this include wearing protective hairstyles, by wearing a satin, or will I say a silk pillowcase, and always using the heat protectant products when heat styling. Embrace your natural beauty, and the way you can embrace your natural beauty, this can help you feel confident and beautiful, because it can include wearing your hair in its natural texture, experimenting with new hairstyles and hair accessories, and wearing clothes that makes you feel comfortable and confident. This style is a low-cut hairstyle. You can see is a popular and stylish trend among black women. It's a very short hairstyle that involves cutting the hair close to the hair scalp, and this style you see can be edgy and bold, and it really works well for different face shapes and hair texture. Don't forget to check my description box where you can get the contact of the barber on the screen. This barber is screw cut, and we all know screw cut know his onion. We have other barbers like the barber.